Hi, my name is Bradley Samore, and this is a short poem of my time working with middle school students. It's called Middle School News. The school newspaper is delivered to class, and hands shoot up, wanting a copy. Black and gray in a world of bright screens, they open it, disappearing behind walls of paper. Some read it front to back. Some flip to sports or comics. Others look for friends. With all the nail biting, you'd think the stock market crashed. But here, every section is local. At the sound of the bell, the walls collapse until the last defense is a brunette still admiring her front page picture. Thank you.